What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.044. We've seen a nice bounce up 8% over the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.6 billion. 24-hour 481 million. So we're going to start on the daily chart. So there's a few people who are doing analysis and a few people in my Discord that are bearish on Gala and think all of this is correction. This is 3 waves into a B and then come down in a wave C. I personally don't think that's going to play out. I think that you can, if you break it down on a 4-hour chart, you can count this as 5 waves. It's just an overextended, let me go to let's try the daily chart. It's just an overextended wave 5. So what you have is right here. That's a wave 1, that's a 2, this is a short 3, 4, overextended 5. And we pull back into 2 and we continue in the bull market. Because if we go into alt season, do you really think Gala is going to go through a deeper correction, break the bear market low while every other gaming project is exploding? Personally, I don't think so. I think that this can be counted as a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. And look at this, guys. We're creating a beautiful double bottom. The money's flowing back in. We have bullish divergence on the RSI. And we're about to print the bullish cross on the weekly chart. So, personally, I think you're looking off the bear market low, 1, 2. Looking to push up in a 3, that will take you all the way up to 13 cents. And if we break this wave 1 high, that's more confirmation of the bullish scenario playing out. So, if we look on the daily chart here, this is off the low down here at 0.013. We have a nice wave 1 to the upside and a 5-wave move, overextended wave 5. You could also look at it as that's a wave 1. The only problem is that's a wave 1, this is a wave 2. All of this explosive move is a wave 3, so this is leading diagonal. I don't really like it because the count is funny for that wave 1, but it could work. And then you'd pull back in a 4, you'd push up in a 5 just to complete the wave 1. So if you only see a small pullback and then continuation, that means we still haven't completed this larger wave 1. But we're pushing right up into that major resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback. If we see a deeper pullback, then we pull back in a wave 2 before continuation. If we break that major level of resistance, then you can push all the way up to 0.05. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. We've done everything we've been looking for. Would be healthy to see a pullback in a wave 2 before continuation up in a 3, 4, 5. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. I do think that's your wave 1 off the bear market low. That's a wave 2, especially if you print the bullish cross on the weekly chart. You break the wave 1 high. That's just more confirmation that a bullish scenario is going to play out. And this isn't all just part of a larger ABC correction. You're going to create a new bear market low. I really don't see it. But some people do. So we'll have to see how that plays out. We're currently in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Literally will take you 30 seconds. And then once you sign up, no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America, 10% back on your trades, on your fees, on every single trade when you sign up through my link. It takes 30 seconds, send me an email, and you get completely free access not only to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. I just uploaded off my phone today, but usually I am doing it off my computer. My exact crypto trade setups, we're in 4 trades right now. My Forex trade signals, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. And we have almost 3,000 members in the Discord, and you can have completely free access with the sign up to BITUNIX. Will literally take you 30 seconds. Definitely think it's worthwhile. All right, gang, all links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.